First lunch in Orvieto, we found pasta! Our 2 restful days in Orvieto began with a group walk down under the quiet town. We met at a park looking over the Tuscan fields where cats roamed free. Our guide took us through the twists and turns of ancient olive oil factories where the air was cool and sweet. We grouped outside where we just had to take our daily fit check video in the morning sun before breaking off to explore and try the food of the hilltop town. First lunch in Orvieto, we found pasta! We have half an hour until our next meeting checkpoint. We just finished lunch. Hello! Thank you! At this place, and it was amazing and really cheap. We got bread, and I just got an appetizer, but I got eggplant parmesan, and it was so good. Although our time in this town was short, Orvieto quickly became my favorite city of the trip. The peacefulness and quietness of the city made it very different from everywhere else we went. The food was just so much better, and the people were so kind, even though it was very hard to communicate with them because it was not a very touristy spot. We found ourselves at an elementary school playground because it was also spring break in Italy, where we sat for a while before exploring the rest of the town and coming back for dinner. Okay guys, we are having free time before we have dinner, and we just paid €3 each to climb the bell tower, and hopefully we'll get there in time for sunset. We are at La Musa to get gelato. It's falling apart, but it's so good.
This is so good.
We had a hard time finding dinner tonight because I'm vegetarian and Italians literally only eat pig. But we found this place in a cave and I can't eat anything, but I can have cheese pizza, so here we are. Okay, never mind guys, I'm actually very, very satisfied with this.
No problem for potato. For something big? No, no problem. I question for the potato, but no problem for the potato. I think all will taste good on this.
On the potatoes, yeah.
It's not twice.
These are regardless.
The tomato, I think, is.
This is our second night here, and we thought our lame room had nothing fun, and we were really craving fun drinks. We opened the TV stand, and we have Fanta, Coke, and water. Where have we arrived?
Oh god.
On this day, I unfortunately woke up with a really bad cold, which remained for the rest of the trip, although I definitely started feeling better towards the end. On our travel day to Florence, we stopped in Siena for about an hour just for food, where I got my first real pasta in Italy. We also stopped in Volterra, where Twilight was not actually filmed, but is set, so that was very exciting to see. I got a couple souvenirs, including this Italia shirt, which I'd been really looking for. We just got to Florence and we just quickly changed and we're heading straight out for a big dinner. And it feels like Paris, even though I've never been to Paris, but it's really pretty. And there's a lot of like American chain brand stores around.
were shopping yesterday and we met some of them were like, oh, where are you from? They're like, we're from the Hamptons in New York. And we were like, they're like, well, we're not really rich. We're not really rich. Something like that.
Hello, it's Sunday, I think. Saturday? No, Sunday. And we are on our way to Lucca. It's about an hour away, closer to the coast, but not on the coast. And we're gonna finish our Disney movie dreams. Not finish. Experience them. I was sick yesterday and I didn't vlog very much, but I'm still sick today and we're pushing through, so this is the fit. Let's go to Lucca.
Either way,
Yay! Got lemon and sugar. And that concludes the second installment of the Italy Chronicles. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video for the second half of our Florence trip, which was the longest, and then our final days in Venice, which were very, very rainy.